Buhay, buhay pa pala kayo. Hello po! Kumusta po sa itaas?
Ito yung pinaka-reason kung bakit nagkibit-balikat lang kami sa hyped and viral birthday moment ni Miss Cara David. Sabi niya, sana mamatay na daw ang lahat ng mga kurakot sa Pilipinas.
This is our potential sound. Say happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish. Sana mamatay lahat ng kurakot sa Pilipinas.
At kagaya ng sinabi na natin sa ating previous post, we believe she spoke out of sheer frustration. Alam naman nating lahat na walang tao sa mundo na may ganyang death wish superpower. But then, when we saw the video, we just shrugged it off.
Wow. Alive na alive pa. Aba, nagkatuluyan pala kayo? Hala ka! Anong...
Kaya never did we mention Cara David on our page and her birthday death wish. To be fair, yung mga corrupt lang naman daw ang gusto niyang mamatay. Pero there's still something wrong with that kind of mindset. And the reason why we did not comment or criticize it is because many shallow-minded netizens are going to simply bash and make false accusations. Pero tila masyadong na-hyped ata si Miss Cara, and she even doubled down. And that kind of mentality is exactly why no one should have that kind of superpower, kahit gaano pa katino o kamorally superior yan. And it's quite ironic na in-embrace niya yung Death Note, which is a cautionary tale on why no moral human being should have a death wish power, in reality or even in movies.
なあリュウク、革命の午後はこんなにも穏やかなものかな。犯罪発生率が激減している。もちろんキラのおかげさ。こうやって世界は静かに犯罪のない世界へと変わっていく。
Kasi yung bidang kontrabida sa Death Note, written by a Japanese manga writer under the pen name Tsugumi Oba, ay kagaya rin ni Miss Cara, a moralist, idealistic with good intentions, pero na-hype. Ngayon, it looks like she inspired, or at least her death wish moment was hijacked by political fanatics, the Duterte supporters, whose political idol or demigod had almost the same death wish power, although political.
My God, I hate drugs. And I had to kill people because I hate drugs.
Ang sabi ni Digong Yunon, dapat daw mamatay lahat ang mga adik, pero siya pala ang totoong drug lord o drug protector. That wish was born out of quote-unquote good intentions until innocent people were also killed in his war on drugs. Until some unscrupulous and crooked people in the government exploited Duterte's death note to erase people they didn't like what happened to General Wesley Barayuga. Children and innocent people died, sabi ng mga DDS. Collateral damage daw. Sabi naman ni Bato de la Rosa, shit happens.
Nangyari yang hindi dapat nangyari. Namatay yung bata, tinamaan. Really, shit happens.
So now, the DDS are invoking Miss Cara and her death wish and trying to weaponize it, not just against allegedly corrupt political enemies of their Duterte demigod, but also against their critics. Yes, the DDS also want Cara's death wish to fall upon people who don't share their dogma. That is why, right after we saw Cara's viral clip, we shrugged it off and thought, let's see what kind of monsters and evil culture that sick mentality is going to hype and enable.
Sana mamatay lahat ng kurakot sa Pilipinas.